In this session, we will be discussing pay groups and pay period setup in the construction payroll application of Sage Intacct. Under Applications, go to Construction Payroll, Pay Groups, and in here you'll have the ability to define multiple pay groups if needed, or one singular pay group depending on how your company's payroll is processed. You can process pay groups separately, so if you have a weekly payroll that's possibly hourly versus salary that might be bi-weekly, you can establish different pay groups and process those pay groups separately and with different period end dates and different check dates as well. Inside the pay group, for example, here we have a weekly hourly pay group set up. So you can click add and then you'll basically type in an identifier and what is the frequency of that pay group. So if we go back here and we click new, you have the ability to do a bi-weekly, a monthly, a semi-monthly, or a weekly pay group. Within that pay group, you can establish payroll years. To add a new year, you'll click plus button. To look at an existing year, you can come down into here and look at the payroll year 2022, for example. If I hit the up arrow, you'll notice there are my period end dates for each week of that 2022 payroll, and also what payroll check dates as well. What you can do is override these. So if one of these check dates falls on a holiday, for example, like Thanksgiving, you can come down to here and change the check date, as you can see here, to Wednesday, the day before. So you can establish all of your payroll year end, period end date, and pay dates for the whole year. You'll notice here the last period end date is 12/24. So if I come over to here and click add year, and let's add the 2023 periods. So it knows my first period end date is going to be the next week, 12/31, and my first check date is going to be 1/5. So it's just going to flow through the process. We'll click add year. And now you'll notice you have a payroll year 2023. And now you can go through and do the same thing. Go through and change any pay dates that need to be edited or modified. Click save. And now you have your 2023 payroll period set up for that pay period. And then if need be, you'd go over to the salary and do the same thing. And that's how you establish pay groups in the Sage Intacct Construction Payroll.